Ready, set, go.
Get on, Vanessa.
No, you're gonna do good.
Is that good? Put your feet in.
Like that?
Sit down.
Like how?
Sit down.
How?
Just sit down. Yeah, like that.
What are you doing, Ty?
Ha! Nothing that your eye has poop on it.
What?
Ew!
You making snow angels?
Yeah, making snow angels. It's a big one.
And snowballs, huh? Hey. Hey Ty, wanna go down the hill again?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Go.
Oh, wait a minute, there's some people down there. I better wait for them to move out of the way. Go.
Go. Let's just go. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? It doesn't matter if it's missing. It doesn't matter if it's missing. It doesn't matter if it's missing. It doesn't matter if it's missing.
Did we go down a big hill?
Too big bump.
You hit some jumps?
I just bumped my head on the road.
No, you didn't.
Here.
Not on the road, on the snow.
Yeah.
You want to go down this hill right here? Want to go down this one again? What do you want to do? Do you want to just play in the snow right now, or do you want to go down the hill again?
Go down the hill with a snowball.
With a snowball?
Yeah.
Are you going to throw a snowball at somebody?
Hey, no, just at the snow.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna throw a snowball at somebody while you're sledding?
No.
That might be dangerous. Hey. Ready?
Go.
Set. Come on back up. Okay, grab your sled.
I'm gonna look through the camera. I'm gonna look through the camera.
Do you see them?
Yep.
How many do you see?
Two.
Just two?
Yeah.
There's 5 of them over there though. They're hiding in the trees.
I see 3.
Yeah, there's 3 of them looking at us, huh?
On top of the trees or below the trees? On top?
Huh?
Yes, on the top. All the way on.
They're not too afraid of people, are they?